Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. I am tinkering on Commodore 128, trying to figure out what I have that's working, what I have that isn't working. And where is my pencil? There we go. I've got to get the video cover off of the video chips. And it usually takes a good prying. I don't like to pry on things that don't like to be pried on. So I take this here pencil, and I hold it in here pretty well, and I pry, and then when I can get the screwdriver under there, I do a little twisting, and then I pull this off, if it will come off. It's off. Ha 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 ha. And that is what goes over the video chips in a Commodore 128. Also handy to put screws in. Device not present, of course. Okay, so now every other socketed chip has been removed from this board. So now we're going for something in here that is socketed. And they're not easy to get out, but it's out. And I'm imagining, but I don't know, that this could be the 80 column video. It could be. Oh, you gotta be careful here. Okay, I think one of them goes one way. See, that's, you gotta watch the witness marks, because sometimes things that we think we know, we don't know. Okay, that looks good. Aha, yes indeed. The witness mark on this chip is towards the top of the machine, and the witness mark on the other chip here is to the bottom. You never know what you know until you don't know. Okay. Oh, this is in these enclosures. Sometimes you can run into trouble, and you just don't have the room to do stuff the way you would like to do it. Okay, the chip is in. Turn it on. Okay, that's a good sign. But first, we're going to turn this over. We're going to push the 4080 switch. Oh, and then we got a switch on here. And then I guess we'll say go 64. Oops. Yes. And then we'll look over there and we'll see that we're okay. All right, so turn this off. Get our little wee screwdriver. Gently, gently, gently. Ever so gently. With great patience. Pop that out. Set the screwdriver down. Make sure the witness mark. And look at that. I mean, I can't see the number on that chip. I can't see it. I just can't see it. Okay, so now pop that in. Looking at the things. We're at 128. We're in the 80 column mode. Okay. I think we're okay. I could check. Okay, so that I'm not sure what that is. Because it might be covered. It's not U25, that's this little chip here. It's not U23, that's this little chip here. It's not 24. Huh. It may be that the thing where it says it is covered by this thing here. Huh. That's annoying. That might be annoying. Well, I think this is the 80 column thing. So I'll put 80. And then put no U. And then I will put this over top of the correct socket over there. Then I will turn this off. And then I will pop this chip out. Once again, so covered, I really can't see what it is. And then I will snag the board that I'm stripping. And I will see about getting this other chip out of here. Okay. It's tough when both ends. Okay, set that there. Set that down. Troubleshooting. One thing at a time. Look at the pins. Now this is this is where you can get fooled. The witness mark is only the downward side. Don't get fooled. So get that on there, nicely lined up. Push on. All right. I'll turn this off. We'll turn that off. Turn that on. Go looking. Here we go. Go 64. Yes. Okay. So we seem to be okay. We do. One thing I was thinking of, and I haven't done it, and maybe I should, is I should take a pencil eraser to each chip that I take out. I should. So this is definitely U21. And I will put it in the right configuration over here. So, and then this one in the correct configuration, I will line up over the socket with great care. Great care. And push it in. And turn it on. There we go. Hold down the Commodore key. Go to 64 mode. Turn that off. Do the 4080 switch. Okay, so far we have done a number of chips. Well, I guess basically we've taken everything. Oh no, not quite everything. This is critical at times. This little chip in the video area, the 8701, can cause trouble. And it sometimes is difficult to get it out. Sometimes the little chips, oh man, that didn't go as I had planned. I kind of jammed that a bit. Oh no. People are calling. Oh no, we've got the D-save on the run. Okay, well that came out, but it didn't come out as nicely as it, like I was kind of pushing on it and then it just kind of came out. I would much rather get this under here ever so gently and give a little tweak and have it fly out. But no harm, no foul. Pins weren't bent. Sometimes, as I say, these little chips are more challenging than the big ones at times. Oh, come on. The end chip pins of this chip are giving me some little grief. Okay, it's out. Yeah, these pins got a little bit bent. They did coming out, so you just gotta make sure you get them lined up, you check them. Double check the witness mark. This little chip can cause you no end of grief if it's bad and you don't swap it. Okay, oh, we're still pushing down on the function key. Alright, hang on. Okay. So push that down. We're going to go to the 40 column mode. Aha. Alright, the reset I'm not always pleased with. I'm going to turn that off. Turn that on. Oh, well, did I push that? No, I didn't. Okay. So many things to switch. Yes. Okay. So we're still okay. And you know what? For this one, because it is a pain. Oh, look at that. There's one in this. This is the machine that I'm just putting things on top of. There's an 8701 in here. So you know what? Maybe because I'm here and I can. I'll double check that. Okay, so that can go over here. This can go over here. Turned off. This can come out. I hope. Okay. So we'll keep on keeping on with what we're doing. Set that over there. That's even too small. I know where that comes from. I don't need to write on that one. I don't. Okay, so this is the one from the empty machine. Alright, so turn it on. Oh, we may be in the wrong mode. Or, who knows? Maybe it's funny that. Okay, now that was weird. It's done that before. Okay, I think we're in 40 mode. We are. Go 64. Yes. Okay. Push this down. Push this in. Push this over. And we're okay. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is just put this also in there. And carry on with more testing. Maybe at some point I'll have enough chips that I can try and populate one of the ones that's not happy, or that hasn't been happy. Maybe. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.